In this video, we will talk about apps not opening in Windows 11. Method 1. Restart your PC. Click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Method 2. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Click in Search, type WSReset and select Open. Wait for a while until Microsoft Store launch itself. Method 3. Re-register all apps using PowerShell. Click in Search, type PowerShell. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Paste the following command from the description in here and press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 4. Check for corrupt system files. Click in Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type these commands one by one and press Enter. After running the commands, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix apps not opening in Windows 11. See you in the next video.